What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back with another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And the best part of waking up is harvesting in your basket, or something like that. So today, y'all, I'm gonna do a harvest, y'all. I'm not harvesting one or two things. I might harvest a bunch of things. I'm gonna start off with this really small watermelon. The tendrils is dry right here. So we're gonna take a flyer on it and see. Oh, it's got a hole in it. We're gonna cut it open just to see if she right. All right, shishito peppers. Yeah, we're gonna take that one, y'all. It's a whole bunch of them on here. I'm gonna taste one green too, though. Let's see what the difference is. We're just gonna see. Oh, candy cane peppers. These jokers didn't get big at all, but I'm gonna snack on it while she's small. Couple more on here. I'm gonna let them get a little more red. Hot pepper plants. I'm gonna get a couple of them. Peach rush. I'm gonna let the other one get a little more peach color, I guess. But I'm gonna get a couple of them. That ain't my thing. But I'm gonna try to cook something with them. Get a couple of them like that. Now look here, if y'all let y'all cucumber trellis on your fence, be very careful. Yeah, it got stuck on the fence. Yeah, that sucked. So we're gonna cut that off. And we lost some food, y'all, because we went on our job. Yeah, so I'm putting it back on the fence. Go do your thing. Hold off on her. All right, let's see what's in here. Small peppers, oh my goodness. Don't leave that alone. But that Cuban nail pepper ain't let me down. I'm gonna let those two get red. I'm gonna let this one get red. I ain't gonna look at the bug. That's what I'm talking about. Let that one get more red. A couple candy canes. I'm gonna take that one. Let it turn on the inside. That one red. All these peppers supposed to be bigger, from my understanding. Let's get some cherry tomatoes, y'all. Oh, it's more. Welcome to the jungle. We have fun and play. All right, another watermelon. Stretched out there. She telling me she finished. Tendril dead. She telling me she finished. Snip, snip. It ain't huge. It ain't a monster. We're gonna wait on that one and wait out. All right, something else. These were all volunteer tomatoes. They ain't start blushing yet. So we're gonna make fried green tomatoes, y'all. Yay! We'll let the rest of them get a little bigger. Let's go ahead and get some of these tomatoes off here. And y'all hear the bees? Y'all do y'all business. My bad. I'm in y'all way. It's y'all world. And once you get a lot of rain, you get tomatoes that start splitting. I ain't gonna get them now. Get some of these big cherry tomatoes though. Look at these. These some of the biggest cherry tomatoes I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna get those. We ain't worried about it. We're gonna get these. Ooh, yes sir. And these little bugs with all this rain, y'all. Little bugs everywhere. You know, you can't spray enough because the water, all the rain. And look at her. Some of them already started eating it. They won't let me be great, y'all. But whatever these tomatoes were, I don't know. They were volunteers, so I'm gonna voluntarily pick them and eat them. I forgot, wait a minute, don't turn off yet. This basil, I gotta get some of this basil. Let me set the camera up, y'all. Get y'all seasick out here. We'll get some of it. Yeah, that's just a little piece, y'all. Let's get some mint. Let's get a lot of mint. Make some mint tea. I think I'm gonna make it like Kool-Aid. Big picture of it. All right, y'all, I forgot about the cucumber bed. These bees are going crazy over here, y'all. I'm trying to keep them against storm. These lemon cucumbers, oh my goodness. I can't pick enough of these things. Look at that. And they coming in like crazy. Small one. But she ready. Is she ready? Look at that. I can pick these lemon cucumbers every single day. Look at that. Let's drag it. I think that's a potato cucumber. My dragon egg ready? Yeah, there she go. My favorite cucumber. Dragon egg. Ooh. Got some beans. Look at these beans too. What I'm doing? Big harvest, no whammies. Big harvest, no whammies. Yeah, got lemon cucumbers all over here. Uh-oh. Is that all of them, y'all? Do y'all see any more, boys and girls? Do y'all see any more cucumbers? Look at that big old bee. Woo. And I thought this was a cucumber that was dying or whatever, but no, it's not. I've never grown potato cucumbers. I got a couple plants. Somebody let me know. Is that just a bad cucumber or potato cucumber? I don't know. I think we got all these, y'all. All right. Today's harvest: lemon cucumbers, dragon egg, cherry tomatoes, volunteer tomatoes. I don't know, about to be green tomatoes. Little watermelon, basil. And I got some more stuff in here. Shishito pepper and candy cane pepper. The real one, that little bit of one that I pulled off, it was rotten and mushy because it wasn't growing right. Yada 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 yada. Get on with the watermelon. Dun, 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 dun. Is it ready? It's ready, y'all. Ooh. almost over, right? We gonna have a taste test.
Ooh.
Not that part. Look at that. Look at that. All right, put the camera on me. Let's see how sweet it is. Cross your finger. That's sweet. Real top. Yes. Got a new camera later. Hold the camera still. There you go. There you go. All right. Camera lady, you want to taste?
Sure.
All right. So I'm gonna record camera lady.
Yep, same thing. I don't like watermelon.
Oh, she don't like watermelon. But does it taste like a watermelon should taste?
If it tastes different, then like it tastes like a normal watermelon. I just don't like it.
She don't like watermelon.